Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a my favorite top 10 lipsticks video, and I'm very bored at home. Social distancing. I've been meaning to do this for a long time. This is actually my second time filming this video. My lips hurt so bad. So you guys want to see me try on my 10 favorite lipsticks, then just keep on watching. So the first one I'm going to talk about is YesStyle 84. It's just a very bright cherry red color and it's really pretty. So I'm going to put this on. So this is the first one. I'm going to show you guys. This is YesStyle 84. It's a very nice cherry red color, and this is YesStyle Rouge Volupte line. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about this line before. I'm going to insert some swatches, and you can see on my lips right now that it is just a very brighter blue tone red, so it's gonna make your skin look really bright. I like this line of lipsticks because they're really pigmented, but they're not drying at all. So if you guys have drier lips and you're looking for a cherry red color, then I highly recommend this line, and especially this color because it creates this beautiful blue tone red lip, but it isn't drying at all. And it's very moisturizing, and I also really like the scent of these lipsticks. I just removed YesStyle 84. I'm gonna put on this one. This is YesStyle 613. It's my favorite. Yes, this is the YesStyle Water Stain. So this is what YesStyle Water Stain in 613 looks like. It's very popular, so it's been talked about a lot. It stains your lips, so if you drink coffee or if you're gonna go out get brunch with friends, then this is the product to go for because it just creates this beautiful sheen over your lips and lasts really great. And they have a large range of colors. 613 is probably the most popular. I know they have colors like 617 and 611, I think, that are also pretty popular, but this is the most popular color. It's just pinkish, reddish, really pretty. Highly recommend. So these are the first two YesStyle products I'm going to talk about. Now I'm going to talk about this one. This is Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the color Walk of Shame. I'm sure a lot of you guys have definitely heard about this one as well. It's a mauve-ish color, and I'm gonna be putting it on for you guys. It's a very natural mauve-ish color. I think it's the perfect everyday color if you are debating on whether wearing like a red or, I don't know, like a pink, and you don't know what you want to wear. I think this is the color to go for. It just is like a My Lips But Better, a MLBB shade. If you just want to deepen up your original lip color and have some sort of color in your lips, definitely check out Charlotte Tilbury WOS. It's a very natural MLBB shade, and you can get this from Sephora. Okay. So the next color I'm going to talk about is Max Chili. This is probably one of the most popular colors, and I'm sure a lot of you guys already have Max Chili. It's just super iconic. It's literally just like as popular as Ruby Woo, I feel like. It's just a matte brick red. I'm gonna put this on. So this is what Mac Chili looks like. It's just a very cherry tomato matte brick red color. I think Mac's prices are also really nice if you want to collect lipsticks. It's just like, I think $20 or so. So you can definitely check out Mac lipsticks. And they have another powder kiss lipstick called Devoted to Chili, and I think it's really nice. It's a very perfect brick red. I think it's better suited for fall and winter time, but of course you can wear it in the spring and summer. If you guys want me to do an extensive video on Mac lipsticks, then let me know. This one is matte. It's a little bit drying, so definitely prep your lips with lip balm and you'll be good to go. My lips really look so disgusting by now. Anyways, the next one I'm going to talk about is a Tom Ford lipstick. This is in the color 80, a really popular color, you know, classic packaging. I'm gonna put this on for you guys 1 second. This is probably one of the most popular colors out of the Tom Ford lipsticks. I think the formula of Tom Ford lipsticks are amazing. It just feels super luxurious. The price point is a little bit higher than the ones I talked about, but I think it's definitely worth it. So yeah, that's that. All right, what should we talk about next? I'm gonna talk about Dior 999. This is another one of my really favorite colors because it's so classic. So I think this color is a really classic red. You know, it's just an essential in your collection. This color is very iconic, which means Dior has released different formulas of 999. So the one I have is matte. So it's a little bit drying, but I think it's great for events where you need a lipstick to last longer. I think they have cream, they have like satin, they also have matte. So kind of just do a little bit of research before picking which formula you want. So that is Dior 999. Again, I really like the packaging of this because it's silver and black. I think silver and black is way better than gold. So yeah, that's Dior's 999. My lips are so stained right now and they hurt, so please excuse if it looks really stained and gross, like I know. So next one I'm going to talk about is another YSL. This is the 小金条. I actually have no idea what it's called. I think it's just the slim matte rouge lipstick. So that is what this color looks like. It's just a like super bright red lipstick color. Li Jiaqi recommended this color, which is why I bought it. I think this is in 21. So if you're looking for a brighter blue toned, cool toned, bright red matte shade, I recommend the YSL Slim Matte. So this is a newer line from YSL. They have these slim mattes and they also have the like satin slim matte or satin lipsticks with the silver cap, which I really want to try. But if I were to recommend a color from the Slim Matte collection, then I think 21 is the way to go. This is my second time refilming this video, so my lips hurt so much from like taking off and putting on lipsticks. I'm just gonna recommend another one from the YSL Rouge Volupte line. This is in the shade 80. It's a more coral red, not as bright as 84. Please just excuse the amount of lipstick I have around my mouth. It's so stained and it hurts. Anyways, so I really want to classify the Rouge Volupte lipsticks as like lip balms. I've been trying on so many lipsticks and it feels so good to put this on because it glides on so smoothly. One downside about this is it comes off really easily. Like if you drink a sip of coffee, you know, it's gonna come off, but they just do the job of moisturizing and kind of just look like a gloss and lipstick all in one. So this is what 80 looks like. So if you're looking for a great everyday lipstick, then I highly recommend this. So two more liquid lipsticks and then I'm done. The first one I'm gonna talk about or recommend is the Armani Lip Maestro in 405. It's really popular color from their line. It's a perfect red liquid lipstick and I'm gonna talk about it once I put it on. So this line of Lip Maestro lipsticks are really nice because it acts as a liquid lipstick. It creates this beautiful matte moussey creamy finish and it lasts a long time. I think that if you're looking for a liquid lipstick, I recommend one that's not gonna be way too matte. And the packaging looks very luxurious. So pick one up if you haven't. Last one. I know I just finished talking about, oh, liquid lipsticks that are moisturizing and last a long time. Get the Armani one if you want that sort of finish. And I'm out here recommending a ColourPop matte lipstick. This is the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip. These are insane. Like you put it on and it just doesn't come off. Like it doesn't come off for like days. I'm not even kidding. Like I swatched on my hand and it was there for like a week. Okay, it wasn't, but like anyways, these are so pigmented. I'm scared to try it on. 1 second. Yeah, so the reason why I'm trying this product on last is because it doesn't come off. It doesn't come off at all. Like I'm gonna put this on and it's gonna be on my lips for like a month. But anyways, so if you guys are looking for a really long lasting lipstick, then check out the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lips. Again, their colors are beautiful. Like I think the Ultra Matte Lip shade range is insanely beautiful. Colors like this. There's also vitamin C that's really popular. Obviously, it's not gonna look the best right now because I just tried on 9 other lipsticks. This is ColourPop's Ariba. So definitely check out ColourPop Ariba if you guys are looking for a bright matte red lip.